city shadow breeze. I speak in calibrated lines, no one deceives. Force of fact, weight of history, pressure on display. Every word I drop shatters falsehoods in its way. They parade myths like rulers, inflated by machine. Paper tigers roaring loud on the plastic screen. My cadence cuts precise, sharper than a knife. Illusions disassemble under documented life. Eagles climb, high shot postures, aviators in disguise. Crest falling when the arch expose the lies. Record stand eternal, unassailable, exact repeating lies. Won't rewrite what history is stacked. Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadows lose the fight. When reality moves in, systems stagger fall. Truth never glitches, it dominates all.
Open street, we fitted bread. Open street, we gon' kick every street bread. Open street, we gon' kick every street bread. Open street.
Delusions dressed as law, intoxicated with pride. Step back, recalibrate, detox your blinded guide. Sip no longer from cups, tended to the sea. Reality deployed, will make your engines heat. I unravel every narrative, solo leave none intact. Your profanity, your humor, won't hide the fact. Every doubling down, every claim in vain. Magnifies the weight of ignorance and pain. I know stones thrown, no false supremacy claim. Humans flawed, but justice is framed. Life cannot bend to the whims of the cruel. The sea corrodes, integrity is the rule. Children are not shields, civilians are not tools. Laws do not bend to the tyrant's cruel rules. Proportionality matters, distinction remains. Human rights do not yield, conscience sustains. When power mocks the harm, strength shows the lie. Silent force moves while the guilty comply. Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadows lose the fight. When reality moves in, systems stagger fall. Truth never glitches, it dominates all. Lift the veil, break the feed, let the truth ignite. Facts hit hard like steel, shadows lose the fight. When reality moves in, systems stagger fall. Truth never glitches, it dominates all. Palestine lives beyond borders, not just lines on the map. Dignity endures where empires collapse at the cliff of conquest. Loyalty over fear, clear conscience, force where rubber perseveres. History, all its outcomes, not the smug grin, just measured by rights, restored, not sin. From mandates to partitions, sieges to nights of stateless pain. The ledger record reads every injustice, every stain, culture breathes, language speaks. Future self to define, change loosen slowly when global eyes align. Survival itself is proof, clarity in the test. Hope anchored in reason, resilience manifest. Passions to displaced, access mapped and denied. Water rations, checkpoints, freedoms quantified. Health and education, livelihoods under siege. Statistics not abstract, they prove what tyrants concede. Peer review, reproducible history in plain sight. The truth persists, unstoppable, piercing the night. Solidarity is precise, not reckless or blind. Principles intact, consistency aligned. Harm undimmed, universally innocence preserved. Peace realized where rights are observed. Law is rhythm, ethics are loud. Self will embrace dignity unbowed from dust and rubble. Clarity ascends, narratives fractured, truth never bends. Keep laughing, keep mocking. Fragile arrogance reigns. The punchline lands where humanity remains erased. All rememberism beyond your sight. Palestine stands sovereign, choosing its own right. No myths, no idols, no excuses survive. Only documented truth keeps hope alive.